The ultimate smartphone camera comparison is here, featuring the iPhone 15 and Samsung Galaxy S24. Both giants in the tech world, these devices promise to deliver unparalleled photography experiences. But how do they stack up against each other in the real world? Let's dive into the details and see which one might become your go-to camera for capturing life's moments. Starting with the iPhone 15, Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of mobile photography. The iPhone 15 boasts a triple camera system with a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. This combination offers excellent versatility, allowing users to snap stunning landscapes, detailed portraits, and vibrant close-ups. The inclusion of advanced computational photography features like Smart HDR4 and Deep Fusion ensures that every shot is perfectly exposed and rich in detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S24 doesn't hold back. It features a quad camera setup with an impressive 108-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel standard telephoto lens. With such a powerful array, the Galaxy S24 excels in providing sharp and crisp images, even at high zoom levels. Samsung's signature bright night sensor enhances low-light photography, making nighttime scenes come alive with incredible detail and color accuracy. The Galaxy S24 also includes advanced AI technology that assists in scene optimization and real-time adjustments for flawless captures. When it comes to video capabilities, both smartphones are neck and neck. The iPhone 15 supports 8K video recording at 24 FPS and 4K at up to 60 FPS, along with ProRAW video editing for creators who want to tweak every frame. Cinematic mode is another highlight, offering stunning bokeh effects and seamless focus transitions that make your videos look professionally shot. Samsung's Galaxy S24 matches these features, offering 8K recording at 30 FPS and 4K at up to 60 FPS. Super Steady mode ensures ultra-smooth video capture even when you're on the move. Selfies are another domain where these devices shine. The iPhone 15 sports a 12-megapixel true-depth front camera with features like night mode and Smart HDR4, ensuring you get fantastic selfies no matter the lighting. The Galaxy S24 counters this with a 40-megapixel front camera that boasts impressive detail and clarity, along with features like dual-pixel AF for super-fast focusing and AI face restoration to make sure your selfies always look their best. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 and Samsung Galaxy S24 elevate smartphone photography to new heights. The iPhone 15's emphasis on computational photography and versatile camera setup makes it a formidable choice for Apple enthusiasts. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24's powerful sensors and AI enhancements amplify its appeal to those seeking top-notch image quality. Ultimately, the choice between these two will depend on your personal preference and brand loyalty. Both are outstanding in their own right, promising to make every shot a masterpiece.